This program is brought to you by Montefrio Garden Resort, your Highland escape.
Ventosa Law Office of Attorney Jose Vicente C. Ventosa III. For appointments, please call 0922 Ventosa or 0922-83-68672. Callers Flower Shop, Rigodon West for wellness, events, sports, and trainings.
Mabuhay og madayaw. Yes, at last na nagatutubangay ta, attorney, no?
Okay, kung timing yun sa Pasko sa pagkabanhaw,
Yes.
Easter Sunday, di kaninyong tanan.
Yes, I am so honored na nibalik ta sa ato ang regular program, and welcome to our episode 8 of our program ABCD. This is yours truly, CD Carlo Dolier.
And AB, Attorney Blue Ventosa.
Yes, first and foremost, kumusta naman ang inyong bakasyon grande or pagpamalandong sa Holy Week?
Of course, no, lisod man, crisis man karon kung pwede lang magbisikleta, magbaktas para wa na'y gasolina.
My
O
goodness.
katong dili na pito kasimbahan lagi daw ang bisitahon o pat o tulo na lang ana. So but it was a simple celebration. Ang importante ang paghinumdom sa suffering, death and resurrection of Christ. And naday ko chika nimo.
Yes, attorney.
Nakaabot yung atong March 31 katong last yun nga show sa ato ang City Hall sa light show.
Yes.
Paghuman sa among meeting sa Silangan, di diretso gid mi dito ni Mrs. So ako mga kabanay kaya anak ko nga wagit ko makakita nig live. So nindot kayo naghapoy mga tao dito, then nag picture, nag video, so at least na naka-unsapod na experience po na ako tong light show dito sa City Hall.
At least,
Yes.
para daghang mga nahitabo, no? And of course, for this episode, because ni balik ta pagkabanhaw, we're supposed to be last week na syempre i-discuss nato ang entirety sa araw ng Davao, but of course, unfortunately, that we wanted to settle down muna ang ato ang kaugalingon para sa pagpamalandong.
Yes.
But of course, as always, we are being streamed over the Kadangpan Digital Facebook page and YouTube channel, and attorney.
Yes, Davao Lawyer Facebook page and Davao Lawyer YouTube channel.
For those who are watching in the replay, hello sa inyong tanan, and don't forget to comment down below kung asa mo nagikan og paningkamutan nato nga basahon namo ang inyong pagtimbaya o kung asa man mo, of course. So, technically, this is, again, Easter Sunday. Today, it is Sunday, April 5, 2026. But before we share some highlights of the entirety sa ito ang araw ng Davao 2026, but technically, we will discuss right now sa entirety sa Holy Week. Do we believe, no, in the past? Kay, syempre, we always do every year na magbisita iglesia. But of course, it's quite unfortunate na dili natong maadto tanan ng mga simbahan diri sa Davao City due to some unavoidable circumstances. But attorney, mag-ask ko with regards if you have a core memory that you would share with your loving wife, or kung naamay memory during your Holy Week.
Oo, mura na magupog mahulog og mini reunion ning kanang magbisita iglesia. But karon yun lagi, simple na kaayo kay ang uban in town na way panggasolina sa sakyanan. So isa ka sakyanan lang, kung pila ra may makasya sa isa ka sakyanan, kisa una duha, tulo ka sakyanan. Karon simple lang yun, isa ka sakyanan, kung pila lay nasakto sa sakyanan, mao tay nag-uban, then ang uban dito na lang sila nagbisita iglesia sa duol sa ilaha. Kaya lagi ko nga sige lang, importante nga kanang unsa may atong panglawas, then we just celebrate and commemorate, no, kaning unsa lagi ang Holy Week.
Yes. And I think kung mahinumduman pa na ako, pero dugay naman to ay nakatry naman ko kapila kahigayon 7 palabras. But technically, kining atong edad karon and sa nature sa atong work, murag di na ako masingit due to some daghang mga errands na gusto na akong buhaton karon cause pero wala ko kalimot na mamalandong pod me. Pero ang pinaka ginaatang man god is ang paggawas sa mga binignit.
Kani mga tanan klase-klase na apay mga uso karon unsa to mga Dubai choco unsa pa na mga wala chewy. Pero di gyapon wala tong atong biko atong mga latik diha. So nakabinignit na ba mo?
Marag nakakaon naman kog binignit attorney no. Pero ang usa ka problema nato kung unsa gyud ang saktong spelling sa binignit.
Lagi.
But anyway, jokes aside no, I think most of us have went home na from our distinctive places that we wanted to visit. Pero syempre, as for the benefit of those na nakahuman naman mo pamalandong, so umanamimisan ninyo sa inyohang Easter Sunday. Although malayo man o malapit, what's important is you will get to know the rest of those things na ingon nato nga the other side of us attorneys outside of this law office and outside of my media work. But anyway, let's go on muna sa ato ang pag-review sa entirety sa araw ng Davao Attorney, I believe. So I think na-apsan na yun nimo as what you have mentioned earlier katong sa 3D mapping sa City Hall.
Very impressive yun, no? Kita ni mga preparahan nila na script, tapos more or less masabtan. Maybe some other time mo level up lang gyapon na gwapo na gid siguro kayo ng unsa na pod ang ilang mga himuon next year.
Yes, but of course, hapit na mag 9 decades ang
89, 90 na next year, no?
Next year na.
Although you're commemorating the 100 year dito sa atong unsa sa atong City Hall mo itong gi-color puti nila.
Yes, so back to its original color as what we have mentioned in the past episode that we featured the opening sa Araw ng Davao. But let's not wait further ado because we are going to show you right now ang ato ang entirety sa Araw ng Davao highlights, and not every event we can feature pero we'll just shorten it up anyway. So from the opening up to the parada, here it is.
Davao Venue ko, nilabo na langkani.
So mao to ang pasiugdang pagsaulog attorney. So that is
yung opening yan.
Yes. And also, maut ni ang ingon nato nga pag-feature sa 100-year old City Hall na gihimo ng stamp.
Okay. So yung stamp na.
And then of course, mga legendary singers. Then of course, what nakalimot sa pinaka-main mao ang Parade of the Mutias within SM City Davao prior to the preliminary competition. So yun, no?
Ragikan gina sila dito sa annex, sulod diha, tapos
main mall, then an expansion to the expansion wing.
Yes.
And back to origin.
As ko dahil ilahang ibang pass.
Yes, correct, exactly.
Pero ayun, poise na poise pa rin, no? Yung ating mga magka-candidates.
Paalag
naka-high heels, no? Tanawa lang, lisod na kayo na ilahang, dapat parati ka naka-smile.
Yes.
20 ni sila, no?
20 candidates,
ayan,
correct.
Okay, nice.
So, mauni siya, no? That's the expansion wing sa mga wala nakabalo. Ayun. And at least some of those na napili natin, mga nakarga sa atong top 5 o sa ilang top 5
to nila.
Official competition. So, no? And also, one of them, katong sa mahirap i-pronounce, no?
Dark horse na itong gitawag, no? So,
and then, this is the, syempre, fashion show. Money. From Love and Styles by Christina Yip.
Ayan, ang ganda ng mga gown nila,
Oo.
Naano mo sila yung mga sponsors good food, no?
Of
Their
course.
hair, makeup, no? Sa ilang wardrobe. So, very nice, no? Level up na yun. And, di ba, yung hindi natin kalimutan, ibanggit na CD, ang inclusivity, no? So,
Yes.
dalaga man ka, minute man ka, pila imong edad,
Inahan man ka or single
mom. So, nindot, no? So, ilang advokasya na sila katong sa kabataan, sa environment, no? Nato yung mga survivors sa violence against women. So, very, very not only intelligent but brave, no? Only
Yes.
akong makita karon sa ato ang mga batch of Mutya.
Yes. And also, this is the, of course, sa Santa Lucia Mall, Mountain, feature na to karon.
Oo.
So, that is parang interview rounds.
Okay. Ang kamuta na din ako next year nga mo sabay gud sa Medyo karon.
Kadili ipit, no?
Oo. Sige na.
little pressure. I hope that's okay. If that's okay, what's your reaction, please? Okay, we are just practicing because again, eating durian for the first time. MGQ, go! I can see it. Okay, we had 2 hearts.
It felt
You laughed at it. Why?
because it felt quite funny internally. Because the very first time I tasted it, it felt quite weird because of the aroma itself. But later on, I come to appreciate it.
Oh. My fellow Cat sisters, as a person with an asthma, I really appreciate that. And it's for the people too, so I just love that love.
The main question now, ladies, is should women empowerment be selective or it should apply to everyone regardless of the political elite?
Women empowerment should be selective. In fact, we all here we all here are aiming for one goal, and despite us having different political stances, we aim for one city, for us to be coordinated. And last week, I just saw her post of a baby picture of me, and I'm not really smiling in there, so I just laugh. I thought you had another Country on a great moment.
Share me one very special experience that made you the woman you are today. A very special experience for me, of course, when I was still living in Japan. My mom and I took the initiative to create a Philippine cultural event which is called Philippine Bungka. It's called Philippine culture. It really represents the way we share ourselves with other people, especially abroad.
I am actually guilty of binge eating. It's actually my coping mechanism, and I know it's kind of unhealthy, but honey butter brings so much joy for me.
That's right.
Yeah.
Me too, girl.
So this one is the Grand Coronation Night that was held
Okay.
last March 20.
Sa Yusuf.
Yes.
Kay naagi sila SM, naagi sila diri sa Santa Lucia, no, sa airport, sa unsa man ba sila abrisa?
Wala, press con man na
Press
last
con na to, no?
February.
Yes,
So let's go on the play na to.
sige.
Representing Barangay Martina Crossing, this is Christine Jai Bermuda, Yormutya 1. Representing Barangay Maa, this is Serlene Priscilla Company, and I am Yormutya 5. I am Angela, I am Ripa Purnay Pamador, Yormutya 7. I am Nicole Sydney Orencia Fontelias, Yormutya 10. Proudly hailing from Barangay Buhangin, I am Hannah Mary Vicali Colinchero, Yormutya 19. Welcome to the Grand Coronation Night Off.
Yan ang host for that Grand Coronation CG, Miss Grand International CG of Piazza. Then for the first time, no, it's katong play suit with wings. Isa sa mga highlights.
Ay mga lain-lain mga pakpak.
Maramang nagtanaw ta sa fashion show sa Amerika.
Lagi
Anak, cute.
Longgacious kayo.
Then this is the evening gown. nindot ay ilang mga gowns.
So wala nang swimsuit ngayon, play suit lang, no?
Plain lang,
Okay.
kasi bawal man yun as per the Women's Development Code of 1993. Kung wala ko masayop, no?
Mm-mm.
Because I've been attending once katong sa briefing with the previous batch of the candidates sa Punta ng Davao, and they get to share sa ilahang ingon nato nga what is the role of the Women's Development Code here in Davao City. So technically, again, as what I have to reiterate that ang swimsuit, it is only meant sa beach and resorts and not
Ayun.
necessarily diha sa mga pageants.
Kaya nga, so na-miss nyo lang yung beach ping pong. Kaya siguro next year, madamihan din natin yung
I
beach
hope.
attire.
Oo, pwede.
Oo.
I don't know kung meron ding role for the pickleball, kung nabay beach edition sa
Oo.
pickleball.
Baka meron na rin yan kasi dami-dami na ditong fully booked na mga pickleball courts. So hanap na siguro sila dyan banda sa may beach.
Yes. So we'll continue to play with this video for the other highlights.
As a future queen, my responsibility is not to be seen, but
As a future queen, my responsibility is not to be seen, but to be real. I believe as a Ganda Bawenya, you have to be real with your audience. You have to be real with the young girls who look up to you. Show your bad and good for the world to see, because then they understand that they are just as beautiful as a Ganda Bawenya on stage tonight. And as long as I'm able to make that young girl feel seen, I'm already doing my job as a Ganda Bawenya board to leave. Thank you, Davao City.
At the end of this journey, I want Davao to see that I am...
At the end of this journey, I want Davao to see that I am strong. Earlier, you saw me fall, but that just goes to show that every time life throws a problem, an obstacle, a challenge at you, always remember to stand up. Because every time that you learn from your past mistakes and choose to stand up, then at the end of every round, at every challenge, you will find yourself to still be standing.
The most pressing issue I see in my community is...
The most pressing issue I see in my community is isolation. We live in a media world driven by screens, and I sometimes see my family members on their phones all the time. And as a Mutianang Davao, I want to urge everybody to connect with your community. Start with yourself, your family, your barangay, and the entire city. Because this city deserves to be heard, to be seen, and to be lived by each and every one of us. Thank you!
Okay, so we will have a short break muna, attorney,
Sige.
because we will have more highlights to go. So we will be right back after these few reminders. Please stay with us.
This program is brought to you by Montefrio Garden Resort, your Highland escape.
Ventosa Law Office of Attorney Jose Vicente C. Ventosa III. For appointments, please call 0922 Ventosa or 0922-8368-672. Colors Flower Shop, Rigodon West for wellness, events, sports, and trainings.
Watch Attorney Blue Ventosa every Friday night in the program ABC Anuncio Batas at Cooperativa, 7 p.m. every Friday night at Double Lawyer Facebook page and Double Lawyer YouTube channel.
Hi everybody, my name is Alexa Rhoda and I am your Miss Earth Australia 2025 and we are here with Kadang Pang Live with Carlo Dolier.
And we're back.
Yes, for those who have just tuned in, you're watching the second stretch of our program, ABCD. This is still CD Carlo Dolier
and AB Attorney Blue Ventosa.
You're still watching through our Kadangpan Digital Facebook page and YouTube channel.
And Davao Lawyer Facebook page and Davao Lawyer YouTube channel.
Yes, before we continue, I would like to personally greet, of course, suki namo ni sa every video and every live, si Marilu Kanashiro na nasa Japan as the mother of Angela Pamador.
Ayan, kumusta dyan sa Japan?
Konbanwa minasan des. Hello sa inyong tanan. Also, we would like to personally greet belated happy birthday to Flor de Liza Gamo of the Park Inn by Radisson Hotel Davao sa Lanang, Davao City. Belated happy birthday to you, Ma'am Liza. And I hope you will invite me again. Pero unta, sorry man po si Attorney Blue kung ako na siyang Alright, so to continue, we will go on with the second stretch of our episode through the highlights of the Araw ng Davao festivities. Again, not all events that we had to cover, but just the pinaka-highlights good. So, we play the second stretch of our Araw ng Davao highlights.
The world is currently witnessing a humanitarian crisis and intense conflict in the Middle East. As a potential Mutya ng Davao, how can you use the culture of security we practice here in Davao City as a blueprint to advocate for global peace and solidarity on the international stage?
So my depiction of what the culture of security is rooted in is in education. And how do we educate people? By starting a dialogue. It's so hard to say that we should be non-political these days when everything we do is political. And we have to be respectful in terms of our political views and opinions. And we should be able to share to one another. And that is my role as Mutya, to have that engaged dialogue. Because politics will haunt us in our wages, our fuel, and our education. And we must talk about politics like it's a life and death situation. Because Filipino lives, no, human lives, are quite literally on the line. Thank you.
And thank you so much,
Davao City, the world is watching us tonight. And us, Davaoenos, we will lead the way. My story doesn't end here. It's just the beginning. Once again, this is Rebecca Gail Celis, a paralegal, a law student, a public servant, and your Mutiyanang Davao, now a proud mother. Daghang salamat, Davaoenos. Mutiyanang Davao!
Again, if you have just joined us, this is the highlights of the Araw ng Davao. So, ito, yan ang highlight.
Ano yung announcement ng sinong mananalo?
Yes. Hannah Mary Colentrill.
Yes, and ang runner-up, si
Joanna Ubas. Diwa ng Davao 2026. Kumusta naman ang feeling neto that you have won as the Mutya ng Davao 2026?
Honestly, it feels so unreal. Like, I was on stage, wala ko yung minor awards or anything. I really didn't expect it at all. I'm so grateful and I'm so happy that I have the weight of the responsibility of being Mutya ng Davao this year. And I will do my best to not fail the people. Thank you so much.
Panindigan din mo ang isip leader girl.
Yes, yes. Kita lang din ako sa stage, di ba?
Yes, what can we expect for you for the entire year of your reign as the ambassadors of Davao City?
So, in correlation with my advocacy for substance use disorder victims, I really want to work more with rehabilitation systems and with victims of substance use disorders. And another thing I'm really passionate about would also be sustainability. I'm a medical biology student in ADU, and we take part in studying creatures, marine life, ecosystems, and I really want to play a big part in conserving that, especially with the Philippine Eagle Foundation, you know.
Last but far from least, of course, ang pinaka-highlight mao ang Parada Davaoenyo.
Oh, baktas nila sila tanan kay nagtipid tayo sa gasolina.
Yes. Disodra pa yan, no? So, pinasahira ba yan as per marching order ba yan, no vehicles at the time while doing the parade. So what, as you can see, nakadayang mga organisasyon, especially mga offices of the local city officials, elected officials, nakadayang barangays, and also mga talent agencies, so I see, and also uban-uban mga, and also VIPs are there. Yan, si Vice President Sara Duterte is there, also with Mayor Baste, also mga nakadayang marching bands. Yun. And the mutya.
Nagbakas ko sila yung taon.
Yes. Tiis ganda.
Tiis ganda yun.
They choice sana.
Yun, kabataan.
F-pop. Yeah. Ayun. So that's the highlights, the entirety of our Araw ng Davao 2026 celebration. So medyo pinasahirabayaan ni, no? And also we're also in the middle of the crisis, pero at least na pull off naman po tanan, no, mga events for our Davaoenos and non-Davaoenos alike, attorney. So what's your expectations naman po, attorney, upon seeing these some of the major events that is being mounted for this year and the expectations na po for next year?
Yeah, siguro hopefully maundang na ni atong crisis next year o maka-recover na tang tanan, then mas bonggisius siguro pa, pero gawin din simple na hindi na siguro masyadong gastos. Pwede naman sigurong magbongga, basig nga ana po diha mga recycle or unsa ba diha na ay mga ways nga mag-save og energy, makatabang og kani sa atong kabuhayan, sa atong mga negosyo, and of course ang mga advokasya sa mga atong mga mutya like the environment, katong protection for women and children, o katong mga mental health, nindot nga mapadayon pod og daghan pod na tabangan dili lang diri sa syudad sa Davao but all over the Philippines, maybe even the whole world later on.
Yeah. As most of you are aware that of course na since last week bag-o na pod ang mall hours, I believe, kay inay ang usual na alas 10 sa buntag. Now it is 11 o'clock in the morning in some malls, specifically within Ecoland downtown area, in line with of course the national state of emergency for the energy crisis nga nasinati nato. And also although lisod naman po the attorney not to adjust within the period of the crisis, na syempre ana naman taga magtugtog sa mga surround sounds, mga sa panimalay, pero mao lagi no na lisod baya i-adjust naman po ng time. So as much as possible, technically if you want na makunhoran ang electricity bill, na monthly bill ninyo, pwede siguro na inyong ikunhod ang mga unnecessary nga mga gadgets na dili na ninyo na mapuslan pa.
Pwede pa magamit, i-recycle lang usa, then siguro katong mga gusto na mag-dieta diha, so dili na kay sige pamalit og daghang mga mahalon nga pagkaon, no? Na po, baktas-baktas gamay, no? Speaking of malls, di ay CD, no? Medyo na unsa gyud ko na niagi mi atong Holy Thursday dito sa Bahada, kay tapos na amay one way. So ni detour mi diri pasud sa dating Victoria Plaza, makita gid nimo nga gihinahinay na gyud siya demolish, luoy kaayo, pero as there will be some new development, so basig para po na sa kalambuan po sa City of Davao.
Technically kay napalit naman good sa ka-investor of the former Victoria Plaza. Ambot lang kung usay buhaton na, but it's of course it is a building, I believe, na mapus naman po for the benefit of our viewers. And also upon noticing na medyo minghoy raman pod ang bus terminal sa Davao City Overland Transport Terminal, because nakauli naman good ang mga main characters, which is ang mga estudyante, mga pamilya. But of course, we would have to remind everyone, and although na may uban ng pagkagahi ulo man po, that ang pagpamalandong is not a type of event in lieu of the Lenten season for vacation to go to resorts. It's not like that. Kasi syempre, pwede man ta mag-relax, magpamalandong pod, rayo naman pod idungan pod na bakasyon in grande. It's like senseless naman pod ang pagpamalandong if you treat it as a habit na pagka Semana Santa, bakasyon dayon, dili man. You need to remind your own selves na we are doing this Holy Week para lang mahatagan importansya about how our faith in God sa mga Katoliko alike, and of course most of us have to adjust kay kung ang Muslim na may puasa sa Ramadan, sa naman po sa Holy Week, pero sa Holy Thursday o Good Friday, we tend not to eat meat. Baya kay lain naman po kung di ta mag-ayuno ani.
Yeah, although human naman gyud ang pagpuasa o pagsakripisyo, sa antos-antos gyapon ta aning gamay nga krisis, dili man pud siguro ni permanente, no. So makikita natin dito yung resiliency ng Dabawen Youth ng Pilipino, no, na mo bangon gyapon ta, mo laban lang gyapon ta aning maski wa tay kalaban, no, sila lang man naglaban-laban dito. Pero kaya natin ito basta magtulong-tulong lang tayo.
Yes. So if you just join us, you're still with us for our second stretch of our program. This is ABCD. You're still with us. CD Carlo Dolier
and AB Attorney Blue.
We will have a short break for our final stretch. When we come back, we will have more discussions. Please stay with us. Don't go away.
This program is brought to you by Montefrio Garden Resort, your Highland escape.
Ventosa Law Office of Attorney Jose Vicente C. Ventosa III. For appointments, please call 0922 Ventosa or 0922-83-68672. Callers Flower Shop, Rigodon West for wellness, events, sports, and trainings.
Watch Attorney Blue Ventosa every Saturday night in the program, The Attorney Blue Show. 7 p.m. every Saturday night at Davao Lawyer Facebook page and Davao Lawyer YouTube channel.
I am Abigail Balili, your patnubay ng Davao 2024. I am Fredoma Nova Tinasas Corporal, your pag-asa ng Davao 2024.
I am Yuane Preglon, your sinay ng Davao.
Jan Marine Rendon, your diwa ng Davao.
Hello, I am Hannah Main Speakshaw, your mutya ng Davao 2024.
And you're watching Kadangpan Live with Carlo Dolier.
And we're back. Happy Easter Sunday sa inyong tanan.
For those who have just tuned in, this is the final stretch of our program, ABCD. You're still with us, CD, Carlo Dolier.
And AB, Attorney Blue.
You're still watching through the Kadangpan Digital Facebook page and YouTube channel.
And Davao Lawyer Facebook page and Davao Lawyer YouTube channel.
Yes, so right before we go on with some other things to be discussed, gusto lang na ako ipaibalo kaninyo na of course padayon gihapon ang ato ang General Assembly man po sa Silangan Multi-Purpose Cooperative, Attorney.
Ganina bago ra na human tong sa General Santos branch, no, and nahuman na po last week ang sa Cagayan de Oro, sa Butuan ug Valencia. So next week it will be Tagum and Panabo branches, and sa 19 of April dili na sa mga Davao City branches buntag ug hapon. So we'll watch this short reminder later.
Yes. But for the meantime, gusto lang nako i-share lang nako sa inyo those sa speaking of Misamis Oriental or Cagayan de Oro kay nagabiyahe naman po for the meantime kay para lang ma-discover nako kung unsang itsura gyud. And one of which is of course the Municipality of Medina Misamis Oriental, which is For quite a long time, the last time I've been there, pero first time na nako na siya mga kaigsunan. So if you want to know what Medina looks like, here is what I wanted to share for this video. So here it is.
Hello everyone, welcome to the municipality of Medina, province of Misamis Oriental.
So this is the bus from Agora going to Medina.
Okay. Ayan si Carlo.
Ninghoy, pero needed to... Pero, walk-through na siya.
Okay.
So this is how it looks like.
Walk-through ta. So, it's my first time ba mag-walk all alone. Nag-stay ako, but I hope you'll enjoy this walkthrough at this juncture for the municipality of Medina, province of Misamis Oriental.
So this is
ano yan siya dyan, CD? Ang lahang munisipyo?
sa gym.
Gym,
Gym
okay.
ni siya. Na barangay. So yun, walkthrough ni siya. What's good about it is nearby ra gyud sa Kasapaan.
Okay. Pagod ko kaagid diha, no? Sa ikatong sa una, magbiyahe ni from Butuan to Cagayan, nga dili pa magigukid na. Madungog na nako ni Batuwa, din ni ka stop over din na.
Yeah. So, I would like to think that time na ako'y kauban, that time katong pag-adto, and then I also managed to go home at that time kay nag-breakfast na ko ani. Gigutom na ang aming character.
Okay. So
fried chicken. Lamig
Okay.
ba? Ito ay.
Ayan.
So that's and this is continuous
Asa pa
walkthrough going to San Isidro Labrador Church, going sa munisipyo. I think at that time, medyo kino-construct pa ang new building for the munisipyo, no? Municipal hall.
Okay.
Pero yung makita, this is within, I think, downtown area, I believe. Oo. So, mao ni siya, this is within the municipal hall and motto, no? Nindot ba siya na place? This is the St. Isidore Parish Church. North Poblacion in the municipality of Medina. So, nindot ba siya? I never seen the church like this, no?
Nice na sa sulod, oh.
Namalandong naman po right before I travel on my own back. So, ito, no? San Isidro Parish. Ayan. Patron saint.
Sa church gyapon na siya.
Yes, within the church, yes.
Oo, nice.
Oo. Pasalubong Center.
Napag sila Pasalubong Center.
This also within the area.
Unsa po ilang mga baligya dia CD?
Local products, I believe. Wala nang ko ka sulod na kay it's on a Sunday at that time.
Okay.
And this is the public park.
Ayun.
Oo.
Okay.
Monumento ni Rizal. It's what we always see. Oo.
Parating nandiyan talaga yan sa Rizal.
So, out of the ordinary ba ang public park nila, to be honest. And this is, of course, money sa dagat.
Sa dagat na yan. Okay.
You can relax ra ba yan. Bisan dili ka swimming, no? At least you will see how relaxing this Kasapaan looks like.
Okay.
And then overview sa lugar. Ayun.
Ayun, oh. So murag green pagi kayo ding lugar ano.
Lagi.
Limpyo kayo.
Ayun. So, I think that's about it sa kung mini travel baya dito sa Misamis Oriental, specifically in the municipality of Medina.
Oh, so watch out more for our travel videos and watch out for our next episodes kay meron kami mga bagong pakulo. Tapos na kasi ang araw ng Davao.
Yes, so I would like to share lang naman about some other places which will be featured, pero sa pagkakaroon, I had to compile such kay daghan ko mga travel videos na wala pa nako ma-feature kay nakapunda naman daan sa ako ang file. But
Ayun.
anyway, I don't know, attorney, if you have any core memory of the most farthest place that you had traveled within the time na sa imong free time or kung dili ka ng every holiday. What is the farthest place you had went?
Katong dili pa sikat ning Siargao, naabot mig Siargao kay if I remember correctly, murag padung na tong Holy Week nga gusto unta mo adto lang dito dapit sa may Surigao, tapos pag abot sa Surigao nagkaisa ang mga kapamilya nga mo adto og Siargao mo to na unsa virgin pa itong time atong dito tong Siargao, then wala pa kay mga hotel, murag dito pa sa mga balay-balay magluto, matulog no kay nama po yung mga kauban sa church nga nag-guide dito. So nindot pod no, lahi pod siya karon nga katong dagan nagikayong turista, nagag-afam but katong sa una murag ano pagid siya mingaw. So that was the time I think na medyo far gid kayo, may na lang kay barato pa tong mga gasolina ato, murag nahutdan na gani mig gasolina, nagpalit na lang mig botilya dito along the way kay layo naman ang mga gas station, sarado pud kay padong naman tug Holy Week, but makaraos man din.
Yeah.
Oo, so dito mi to last time, mga more than 10 years ago na siguro to.
Oo, dugay na kaayo.
Dugay na.
Yeah. Anyway, just right before we go on sa uban pang mga discussions and regarding sa up and coming nga mga ingon nato, the schedule of activities for the General Assembly sa Silangan Multi-Purpose Cooperative, I believe that I would also like to personally greet sa uban pa no na although medyo late na for the previous episode, but still I would like to say hello muna to of course again si Marilu Kanashiro na nakaroon sa Japan based which is originally sa Davao pero trabaho man siya sa Japan. I'm so glad na nakita naman gani me, and also nagasubay man pod sa atuang mga programs. And also we would also specifically would greet sa atuang media friend na nagsaulog sa birthday, 22 years old na karon, si Roy Moreno na nakaroon sa station.
Happy birthday, Roy!
Yes, hoping that you would watch this video. We greet you with open heart.
Yes, those watching on the replay, you can also comment and shout out kay paningkamutan ginamon ang mabasa o mag-greet mo or mention mo sa next episodes.
Yes, we'd also like to specifically greet to Sir Jonel Camporedondo and Azriel Flores. Hello sa inyohang tanan, and I hope you had enjoyed this program that we had every Sunday alas 5 sa hapon. That is your Sunday habit, mao ang ABCD. This is of course again your host CD Carlo Dolier
and AB Attorney Blue.
So right before we wrap things up, I think this is high time na gusto nato i-share ang atong mga reminders for sa mga members sa Silangan Multi-Purpose Cooperative that there is ongoing gyapon ang General Assembly for next week and for next week. And for those na wala kabalo kung kanus ani, here it is ang atong schedule of activities.
Schedule of Activities 2026 Annual Regular General Assembly and Elections of Officers. Tagum and Panabo Branch, Sunday, April 12, 2026, 1 p.m. to 5 p.m. at BJR Auditorium, National Highway Visayan Village, Tagum City. Here are your candidates. Bonifacio, Laverna, Mintal, Arcastido, Bangkerohan, and Matina Branch. Sunday, April 19, 2026, 8 a.m. to 12 noon at SMX Convention Center, SM Manal Premier, JP Laurel Avenue, Davao City. Here are your candidates. Arroyo, Calino, Toril, and Kilometer 6 Buhangin Branch, Sunday, April 19, 2026, 1 p.m. to 5 p.m. at SMX Convention Center, SM Manila Premier, JP Laurel Avenue, Davao City. Here are your candidates.
Ayan.
Alright, so mao to mga reminders from the Silangan Multipurpose Cooperative, which we believe this is very important na mag-attend mo sa General Assembly. But not only sa Silangan Multipurpose Cooperative.
Yes, congratulations also to the other co-ops no, nahuman na pud sila. Ang uban, ongoing pa pud. So, after aning mga April na pud sa May and June for the federations na pud na siya.
Yes. Ang bilis talaga ng oras, no? Since na nagbanhaw na tagbalik, and I think back to reality na po ning ato ang trabaho. But again, syempre, ang crisis ra gihapon ano hindi kabalakan. But of course, we have to take due diligence to ourselves. Kaya ang disiplina ra baya nata sa atong kaugalingon. Kung walay laing magbasol ang ato ang ubang tao, kundi ang kaugalingon nato ang atong ibasol nga why this occurs, this unprecedented crisis that for many times na nakaagi naman tag-ingon ani nga mga dili maayong talimad-on, but still we had to get used to it mga kaigsunan. So is there any other message that you'd like to share, Attorney, right before we wrap things up?
Kana siguro sa atong mga taxpayers, April 15, no? Ayaw kalimot, murag wa baya gud na sila extension, pila na lang nakaadlaw. So, storyahan ninyo yung mga accountant, mga bookkeepers, no? Sa yung mga kinahanglanon kay maigi na nga before the deadline magbayad na ta sa atong taxes.
Yes. And kung late na ma-surcharge og penalty,
penalty, so maglisod po ta sa atong mga lain pang transaction.
Yes, oo. Dapat isahon na lang na ang lakaw para dili ta 1, 2, 3. Anyway, I think before we wrap things up, I would like to leave this verse for all of you. Is Jesus said to her, I am the resurrection and the life. The one who believes in me will live even though they die. That's the verse of John chapter 11 verse 25 as we commemorate, of course, Easter Sunday.
Ayun.
So, hangtod sunod semana, sunod Domingo na pudpuhon sa alas 5 sa hapon gihapon, same time, same channel sa ato ang Facebook o YouTube, and some other things that you want to know about us, the other side of Attorney Blue and Carlo Dolier of our program, ABCD. And we end our program by saying, Mabuhay o Madayaw. Pero of course, wa ba di ita nagsabot nga nag-blue day
timing.
Yeah.
Okay.
See you again next Sunday.
Bye-bye.
This program is brought to you by Montefrio Garden Resort, your Highland escape.
Ventosa Law Office of Attorney Jose Vicente C. Ventosa III. For appointments, please call 0922 Ventosa or 0922-83-68672. Colors Flower Shop, Rigodon West for wellness, events, sports, and trainings.